Welcome to the Editing Masterclass. Today, you'll learn step-by-step how to transform raw footage into professional, engaging videos that grab attention and keep viewers hooked until the last second. Welcome to the ultimate editing masterclass. Today, we cover everything from cutting and trimming, smooth transitions, text and titles, sound effects, background music, color correction, jump motion graphics, B-roll, zoom effects, sync editing, pro tips, and more. Editing is the process of cutting, arranging, and improving raw footage into a smooth, polished, and engaging video. It turns ordinary recordings into professional content that tells a clear story. Why does editing matter? Editing controls pacing, removes boring parts, and keeps viewers engaged. Good editing improves watch time, ensures clarity, and makes videos professional-looking, visually appealing. Cutting and trimming. Cut unnecessary parts, remove mistakes, trim pauses, and focus only on important clips. This makes your video faster, cleaner, and keeps viewers interested from start to finish. Transitions give videos a professional flow, making content visually attractive and easy to follow. A smooth fade creates a seamless connection. A zoom draws focus to the scene, and a whoosh enhances the flow. Text, subtitles, and titles to highlight key points, guide viewers, and emphasize important information. Proper use of text makes videos more clear, engaging, and accessible. Sound effects like clicks, pops, and whooshes create energism and emphasis. They make actions more dynamic, enhance the overall viewing experience. Background music sets the mood, creates emotion, and keeps viewers engaged. Properly selected background music enhances storytelling and makes your video feel professional and immersive. Color correction. Adjust brightness, contrast, and colors to make footage vibrant and balanced. Color correction makes videos visually appealing, professional, and consistent across all scenes. Jump cuts remove unnecessary pauses and keep the pace fast. They maintain energy and ensure viewers stay focused. This timeline shows how jump cuts create a fast-paced, engaging video. Use them to make your dynamic and viewer-friendly. Motion graphics make videos more modern and engaging. They help explain ideas visually, making content easier to understand and entertaining. B-roll footage adds supporting visuals that enhance storytelling. It shows examples, actions, or scenes that clarify your message, and keeps the video visually interesting. Zoom effects are powerful tools for video editing. Zooming in emphasizes important details, like facial expressions. Use these techniques to highlight key moments and boost engagement. Sync editing. Align cuts with music beats or rhythm to create smooth, energetic, and professional flowing videos. Sync editing makes the viewing experience satisfying and visually appealing. Common mistakes. Avoid overusing transitions, adding loud music, keeping slow pacing, or including unnecessary clips. These errors make videos boring, confusing, and reduce audience retention.